Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will learn verbal communication skills, some tips and tricks which will help us to enhance our skills. First of all, we should know that there are three types of communication skills. Verbal communication skills when the participants use words to express their idea and information. Non-verbal communication skills is basically the body language of the person. Visual communication skills are those when graphs are used or some interactive contents images are used for communication. Be it personal life or professional life, we need to be a good communicator and a smart communicator to survive in this world. Before starting any conversation, we should be very clear of our target and goal. Why are we having the same? Of course, this is the fastest way of communicating. So it is very important that we make most of it. A conversation is only successful when both the parties are responding to each another and understanding each other's language. So it is very important that the commonly understood language is used by all. And of course, we need to be polite as well. Be a good listener, which means we need to be alert and we need to be focused in the process. This will help us to not to miss any important details that might be furnished by the speaker and which might be useful for us in further discussion. Add emotions to the interaction. Try to put yourself in the place of the speaker, which will help you to relate to his/her situation in a better way. There is no harm in asking questions and getting into the details of the situation. This will always help you to gain clarity, and accordingly you can find a solution just in case any concern is raised by the speaker. Being judgmental is a very natural tendency of any human being, but we should all learn to overcome this. Let's not be very conclusive immediately. Let the speaker complete his entire part and then we can start analyzing within ourselves. During the process, we will come across some criticism as well, but do not be reactive. In fact, take it in a very constructive way and try to overcome your own weaknesses. You may also paraphrase speaker's sentences to express your genuine interest in the conversation. Making some sounds like okay, go ahead is also a very good habit, and this also adds a flow to the interaction. After the entire process is over, we should make a habit to evaluate the entire situation. As in, we can always ask ourselves what, why, how. This will always help us to prepare ourselves for future similar conversations or situations. By using about tips, you can gain the trust and confidence of others, thereby improving verbal communication at workplace and in personal life. Thank you so much. In my upcoming videos, you will learn such tricks and tips for non-verbal and visual communication mode.